Hey everybody, so I got a quick video from Home Depot as well as Lowe's. This is going to be also an update video about the last video, which you guys are going to see this one first. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I grabbed some items from Home Depot. I was there yesterday. I went back for the same items. And the reason being, you guys are going to see this video before the original video, which only had one item. And the reason being is because it's a pretty great deal. So I want to just show you everything. And then, you know, I'll release that other video later, or I'll just not release that video at all. Actually, I think there was something else in that I did show. So I'll probably release that video later, you know, 4 or 5 months from now or whatever. But the deal I want to show you guys is, and the reason being is, previous video I showed this guy right here, which is special buy kit. It's the Hepa filters from Milwaukee. I will insert photos into the video as well. It's $19.99. The photos will be more clear. For one filter, might be $19.98, something like that. And this box is $19.88 for two. So I grabbed one yesterday, and I went back and I grabbed two today. So it's $20, $40, $60 for all three of them, which is 2, 4, 6 filters. Normal price would have been for one filter is like $19.98, something like that. And I will insert photos, probably right here, so you guys can see it. Alright, so we're back. So, I went and grabbed two more because these filters being $19 and I think 98 cents, you guys can correct me since I inserted the photos before this, a piece, 6 of these would be $120 plus the tax. When I bought one, in the previous video I bought one, it was $21 with tax for one of these. So like 80 cents or something like that worth of tax. So it might be, I think, $1 something max. I do know that there was another item I believe I got in that video. I'd have to go watch the video again because I haven't edited it yet. But, you know, $20, just say $21 a piece per filter. That's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. It's $126 after tax for all of these filters, which would be 6 of them. And I only paid 60, these two right here. It was this one of these, I have the receipt right here. One of these was $21.71, and it was the only item that I grabbed. So $21.71. So you're talking about $1 and some change per filter if you bought them separately. So it states $40 value, and I'll unwrap them. There's one. There's the second one. And here's the third one. It's all three of them. And they say special buy kit, $40 value. You know, so 20, 40. They're $20 a piece. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. So about $128 after tax if you bought all these separately per filter. I did also pick up another item. I've been looking. I didn't necessarily need the brush or the rosin flux paste, but I needed the tip tinner and I needed the cleaner and the cleaner stand. This was $25 on its own, but it's not bad because you get, you know, it's about $7, $8 a can for the flux. You know, tip tinner is usually somewhere in the range of about $5 or $6, and then the brush is like 80 cents. And this piece right here that I've been looking for, every electronic store that carries motherboards doesn't have any. These are usually about $4 or $5 by themselves. So I grabbed this as well. It's made by Weller. It's Whiskey, Craig, Alpha, Craig, Kilo 1-02. And the part number for this guy is 49-90-1900 Bravo Frank. So I thought it was a great deal. That's why I wanted to show it to you guys. So instead of paying $120, you know, and this works with several vacuums. It works with the 0780-20. It works with the 0880-20, and the 0880-20 is this guy right here, which is this vacuum. A lot of people call it a suitcase vac. It also works with the 0960-20 and 0970-20. And the reason I believe that they're doing this deal is because of the fact that the new pack out wet dry vac is coming out. It takes this filter, as well as and that's the M18 fuel wet dry vac pack out vacuum. And then the M12 fuel model also takes this filter, if I remember correctly. I think that's why they're doing this deal with the two filters. Thing is only one store that I've gone to had this deal. Queen Creek didn't. Chandler and Mesa and a few other stores in Gilbert and a couple other stores didn't have this deal. Casa Grande was the only one that had it. But if you do 2171 times 3 would be the total. So 2171. It's $65.13 is what I paid for these. As well as the one type of item I got from Lowe's, because I'm just going to combine these videos because there's no point to show a couple small little items from Lowe's on a separate video. I grabbed 2 of these. They didn't have any refills. They do come with 1 refill apiece. And what these are is sharp draw heavy duty carpenter's pencils. And they look just like, it says on the back, it's a pencil, not a utility blade. It actually looks like a box cutter utility blade. But it's not. And it's got 1 refill in here, and it's got 1 on the side. I grabbed 2 because it says comes with a bonus fill. It's 1mm line width, and this is, I found this at Lowe's, and it says pencil blades proudly made in America at the very top. It says never sharpen heavy duty line carbon fiber. What it states on the back is never sharpen heavy duty line carbon fiber graphite pencil blades. So I'm wondering if maybe they've infused carbon fiber into the graphite pencil blades. But I grabbed 2. They were $4 and I think 98 or something cents. What does it say? This is It's $4.98 at times 2. It was $10.74 for these two guys. I just figured I'd show them real quick. I don't know where the other receipt is. I think I gave it to my wife. But, you know, I will probably put a digital copy of this receipt, which was just the one that I bought one, as well as I'll probably put the other receipt, which has these two and the Weller kit. I will put them in the video right here. Alright, so we're back. And I'll probably put the Lowe's receipt for these. The part number for these guys, I'm not sure if there is. edchandtools.com is what it states. Okay. Electric Tango Charlie 507 +1. That's what the part number is right there. It says patent numbers. It's got 3 different patent numbers. It says Sharp Draw copyright 2020. And let me cut one of these open real quick and we'll finalize the video so I don't take up too much of your guys' time. Wow, really? And they do package these filters pretty tight. Like this one's ripping. There it goes. Just to show you guys, I'm not going to open all 3 of them. And I'm not going to open this right now. I'll open it off camera. One, 2 filters. So each one does come with 2 filters. I hope this deal helps one of you guys out there. Maybe you guys use your vac a lot, or you guys, you know, because I'm going to just put these on the shelf, and I'll have them when I need them. It doesn't hurt to have, you know, more. And, you know, there's 6 plus the one in that vac up there, and when I get the pack out vac, I'll have one that comes in that one. So that's 8. And when I get the M12 fuel vac, that one will come with one, so I'll have 9 of these filters. That way I don't have to, you know, spend time cleaning a filter. I just pop another filter in it, go back to work. But I hope the video was helpful. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I hope you guys get an opportunity to pick these up if you need them. Hopefully your store near you has them. I will try to put as much information as I can down below. You know, I'll see if I can find Acme Tools or Ohio Power links, Power Tools links for you guys if they do have this bundle deal. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!